Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Chrome and turning on Sync for history so your visits are preserved in the cloud. This gives you an immediate copy. Once done, verify your Chrome version and identify the active profile folder, typically under users/your-name/app-data or ~library. Make a working folder on your desktop or external drive now. Then, sign out of any secondary profiles. This avoids mixing files. You're ready to locate the local history file and make the first file system copy. Close Chrome completely. Background processes lock the SQLite history file, and you can't copy it while running. Next, navigate to your profile folder and make a direct copy of the file named history. It's an SQLite database that stores visits, timestamps, and URLs. If you want readable output, open that copy in an SQLite viewer and export tables to CSV for archiving. Make at least 2 copies, one local, one on removable media. This step preserves raw data and maintains timestamps for future restores. Finally, move your copied history files to secure storage, cloud, external drive, or both, and label them with the date so you can version compare later. To restore, first close Chrome, then replace the current profile history file with your backup copy. Make sure file ownership and permissions match your user account so Chrome can read it. After restarting Chrome, check history for expected entries. If something goes wrong, remember this tip. Ensure Chrome is fully closed and verify file permissions and integrity before
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.